Hey, this is Ryan from WebEminence.com, and I'm going to go over some of the basics of on-page search engine optimization today. So these are some things that you can do on your website to make it more search engine friendly and more targeted for the keywords that you're trying to rank for in search engines. So the first thing I want to show you is title tags. And I'm going to use a page on my website as an example. And this is a page on my website where I promote a service of mine that's a complete website package. So one of the keywords that I'm targeting is complete website package and complete website. So you can always see the title of the website in the top of your browser in the title bar. And if I scroll over the title, you can see my title is complete website package, only $29 a month, and then my name, Web Eminence. So I have my main keyword as the first three words in the title. And if you look in the code of my website, you'll see the title is in the title tags. The second aspect of on-page SEO is the URL. So it's important to use your keywords in the URL whenever you can. So for example, on this page of my site, the URL is webeminence.com/services/complete website package. So I'm actually using my target keyword in the URL of this page. And this is important to do so search engines know what your page is about, and it's much more effective than using like random numbers or dates or something that doesn't really serve any purpose. The next thing I want to mention is the meta description, and this isn't something you'll ever see on your actual website, but it is what search engines typically use to display their description in your listing. And even though you don't see it on your actual web page, you can see it in the code of your website, and search engines can see it also, and it's another way to tell search engines what your site is about. You can include some keywords in there, and it's also important because people in search engines are going to read your description. So you'll usually find the description in your website code in the head tags under the tag meta name equals description. The next important part of on-page search engine optimization is the heading tags, and this will show up on your page, and in HTML it shows up as H1, H2, H3 tags, and any text within these tags is styled a certain way depending on your website design. And search engines look at these heading tags to determine what your page is about. So it's important to include your targeted keywords within the tags. So on my page, for example, there's a H1 tag at the top where I have complete website package. And if you scroll down the page, I have some other H1 tags where complete website package is also in the tag. The next important aspect of on-page SEO is including your keywords within your content. And this is pretty obvious, but many people still don't do it. So for example, on my page, if I search for the term complete website package, which is my targeted keyword, you'll find it here in the heading like I just mentioned. Here it is in the second heading. And you'll also find it a few times in the body text of my page. So make sure you're including your targeted keyword within the content of your page. And the last aspect of on-page SEO that I want to mention is images. And there's two ways you can optimize your images for SEO, and that's including your keywords in the file name of the image and also including it as an image tag. So if I look at the code of this image, you'll see that I named the file complete-website.jpg, and the alt tag is what displays if the image for some reason can't display in the browser, and the alt tag is complete website. So in both cases I associated the keyword complete website with the image. So even though a human visitor can't see these elements, a search engine, when they're looking at my site, will see this in the code. It'll help to tell them what my site is about. It'll help me rank for those targeted keywords. So I hope that helps you understand some of the basics of on-page search engine optimization. And in a future video, I'm going to show you how to use some of the tools that website builders provide to include some of these elements on your website.